Okay, welcome to Financial Accounting 1. Today we're going to do a short little introduction to this course so that you have an idea of what to expect, the types of things that we're going to do, and also so that you can familiarize yourself with the course. So let's begin by going into Blackboard. That's where we have all of our content. Here's our home page in Blackboard. All of the items along the side you'll see at the top are welcome, start here. I want you to familiarize yourself with everything in there. There's a picture of our textbook, and I can pull that up really quick. Mine is just a little picture of it, and I'll make that a little bit bigger. Nope, guess I can't. Anyway, that's what our textbook looks like, and we use Cengage, so that means the publisher site, so that means that you have to buy the book from the bookstore, and all of your homework and assignments will be done using the publisher site. Another thing that I have here is the Cengage link, and then we have instructor contact information that has my information. It also has in here a little bit about me, and what I expect and what you can expect from me down here under instructor's role in the course. What are the types of things that you can expect? How soon will I grade your assignments and things like that. Then we have all of our chapters. Each chapter, this is one great thing about this course, each chapter is divided into two parts. It has the activities and assignments. It also has the resources. So in each chapter, you're going to find all of the little handouts that I have for your classes, the PowerPoint, and some other awesome videos that I've recorded over the years to go with each chapter. So if you're a little bit confused about something, go to these videos. You can find videos in Cengage, but these are the videos that are done in my own words to try to help translate accounting language into something that you can understand. All right, we are going to begin Chapter 2 today, and Chapter 2 deals with the accounting for business transactions through double entry bookkeeping. So you probably heard the terms debit and credit before, but we're going to start with, this is not working. There we go. We're going to start with a T account. A T account just looks like a T. It's an account with a title. So our titles are those things that we learned about last week. Cash has its own account. Accounts receivable has its own account. Equipment, our capital account, Jim Hamilton Capital, our drawing account when he takes money out of his business, our accounts payable account, the money that we owe. So each of these has a title at the top, and that would be up in the title area, right in here. And then there's the left side of your T account is your debit side. So debit stands for left, and double entry bookkeeping was started by some people in Italy a long time ago in like the 13th century. And debit is the English word for left in Italian, which is debre, and right is credere. I think that's how. Anyway, the right side is credit. So the left is debit, the right is credit. Always that way. Never changes. What increases and decreases an account might be different, but the left is always the debit and the right is always the credit.